Catherine from the Aberdeen Area Convention and Visitors Bureau, and I have a couple of guests with me because you guys have some fun events coming up this weekend.
Absolutely, yes. Patricia, do you want to go first since you have the first event?
At the Dacotah Prairie Museum, we have our holiday open house this Saturday. It starts at 11 o'clock, goes until 3 o'clock. We have live music, we have Santa, we have decorate a sugar cookie, we have treats for everyone, and also we have make and take stations. But really it's just enjoying everyone being together in the museum, looking at all the decorated exhibits. Everyone has a great time.
Following that, you can check out an event that is being brought back by the Swag Shop. They're hosting their Cookie, Coffee, and Cocoa Crawl from 1 to 4 p.m. and that is a fundraiser for the Salvation Army Angel Tree. So that's a great event to hit the museum first, check out the Cocoa Crawl, and then following that we have the Parade of Lights from 5:30 to 6:30 p.m. on Main Street.
And that is like the second year. Last year was a ton of fun. I know everybody's really excited about it, so that's exciting. And then you guys also have something coming up on Monday too.
We do. On Monday at the Finery, we are hosting our Mistletoe on Main, where you get to meet Santa and Mrs. Claus, and that goes from 3:30 to 6:30 p.m.
And Patricia, obviously, like Saturday is a great day to come and check out Christmas Tree Lane, but that's like any day you're open, right? That is open.
Christmas Tree Lane, and we did a little bit different this year because of our traveling exhibit from the Smithsonian in our Lamont Gallery. It's kind of bumped some of our things for Holiday Open House. So community trees are spread throughout the museum, including in the education room and the conference room. So we have 21 community trees, a little bit of a scavenger hunt. Walk through the exhibits to find them. And yes, and Christmas Tree Lane will be open through December 28th. Just a reminder, we are closed as a county department December 23rd, 24th, and 25th.
Awesome. Anything else about your guys' events coming up for the holidays? I'm so excited.
I would just say everything's downtown. Like the museum event going on, the Swag Shop event, the Parade of Lights, Mistletoe. You have to be down this weekend. There's so much going on. Bring your kids, bring your family from out of town, and join us downtown.
And you guys have the prettiest lights too. Like it's just so fun to come and see the lights downtown too. So.
Oh, and don't forget, the museum does have the mercantile, so you could get a unique gift, a fun gift, and we are open all the hours that the museum is open.
Well, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thanks, Catherine.
And if you want to get in the Christmas spirit maybe a day early, on Friday, Sherwin and Pam Linton and the Cotton Kings will be performing Christmas Time's A-Comin' at Hub City Station Event Center. That starts at 7 p.m. That is over by Ken's Super Fair Foods, just across the street from there, but that'll be a ton of fun as well. The Aberdeen Wings take on the St. Cloud Norsemen this weekend at home. Puck drops at 7:15 Friday and Saturday night at the Odie Ice Arena. If you need more information about these and other events, make sure to head to AberdeenAreaEvents.com. That is where we have our master calendar of all the best events in the Aberdeen area. And we have a special holiday events roundup. That URL will be down below, but make sure if you're looking for specifically holiday events, head to that holiday events roundup on our website. I've been Catherine from the Aberdeen Area Convention and Visitors Bureau. Let's go out there and bring the holiday spirit to Aberdeen this weekend.